This is the Garvee 304 stainless steel cutting board. It hits your counter looking so sleek, so modern, and so ready to retire every stained, warped, or sad cutting board you might have. I like the double-sided design. On this side, you have the stainless steel for the raw meats, the messier prep. When you flip it over, you have the wheat straw polypropylene, which is a common food-safe plastic. I really like this because it has the deep groove section. You have the handle. You could do juicy fruits or veggies on this side, all without soaking up the odors or the bacteria of this side. The stainless steel surface is ridiculously durable, shrugs off those stains instantly, no warping, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. This measures 15 by 10, ample space for all that prep. This cutting board is sleek, it is durable, it is hygienic, it is a perfect upgrade that's going to instantly modernize your prep routine. I love the handle as well. So if you want one board that handles meat, produce, and mess without staining or warping, this is your next everyday workhorse. This review is sponsored, but as always, opinions are my own.